Without the people behind us, we will not be here today. So I would like to acknowledge the people behind us, especially our social chairperson. If you're here, can you stand up and say hi? Hello to everybody. Ms. Teresa Soria. And of course, with her committee, I don't know whoever helped her decorating this place. I know with Janice England is the one, the chairperson that arranged this room. It's a wonderful and gorgeous setup. So, Janice. And of course, our program and invitation chairpersons. We got two people here who's always there to support us. Ms. Charity Daan and Anna Jones. Again, I want to welcome you, and I hope you have a good night and enjoy the night. Thank you.